Hello my dear student, hope you are fine and taking care of yourself at your home. Today we will do the back exercise numerical related to the weight topic. Okay. Before starting the topic, please do like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for further notification. So let's start the numerical. This is question number 10 given on page number 144 of your NCERT. The question is Amit buys few gram of gold at the polls as per the instructions of one of his friends, and he hand over the same when he meets him at the equator. What is the condition? Means purchasing at the pole and want to give him at the equator. Will the friend agree with the weight of the gold bought? So the question is, will his friend will be agree with this or not? If not, why? The question is that if he is not agree, then why he is not agree? And it is given hint also in that value of g is greater at the poles than at the equator. It is already given the hint, because as you already know that acceleration due to gravity is given by mass of earth upon radius of earth square. So we know that earth is not a perfect square. This is a rough figure I am showing you. From like it is the equator representing, this is a just an idea, or this is the poles. As we go from poles to equator, radius increases, and when this factor increases, you know that this factor would get in decrease. So gravity at poles is greater than gravity at equator. Clear? Gravity at poles is greater than gravity at equator. And what is this? Weight. What is the weight formula? Weight is mass of the object into acceleration due to gravity. So from here what you can conclude, if he will purchase the gold at poles, so weight, because gravity is greater at poles, so weight would be more. And if he want to give the same quantity, same gold at the equator, then its weight becomes less, because gravity is less at the equator. So that's why friend will not get agree with his friend to purchase gold at the poles and equator. It is very simple. You have to apply this condition in this formula. When this is greater at poles, so weight is more, and at equator weight is less. So that's why friend will not get agree with the student other friend. So now the next question related to weight only, that is question number 12. Gravitational force on the surface of moon is 1/6 as strong as the gravitational force on the earth. This derivation already we have done in the previous class. The question is, he is asking what is the weight in newtons of a 10 kilogram object on the moon and on the earth's surface. This is question number 12. So solution of question number 12. What is asking? What is the mass of object is given? 10 kilogram. What is the mass of object given? 10 kilogram. And he is already given in the hint, weight on moon is 1/6 weight on earth. So what is asking? Find its weight on moon and on earth. Before calculating on moon, we will find it on earth. So weight on earth is mass of object into gravity of earth. So put the values, 10 into 9.8. Now solve it. So 10 into 98 by 10, remove the decimal. So we have got 98 Newton is the weight on earth. Now what is the weight on moon? Put it in this equation. In this equation we have to put 1/6 on weight on earth. What is weight on earth? 98 Newton. Now solve it. You can solve it. 3, 4, 9. And when you will solve it, you will get your answer by solving further. Okay, so you can solve further to get the answer. So in this way you have to do the numerical. Sometimes maybe mass is not given, weight of the body is given. In that condition, if weight is given in any numerical, so what is the weight formula? Mass of object into gravity. This is the constant. So instead of mass, whenever Newton is written, so it means weight value is given, or when kilogram is written, it means mass quantities are given to you. So we will put this 98 Newton here. Mass हमें निकालना है, we have to calculate, and gravity is 9.8. So divide by this and you will get your answer. Clear? And you will get your answer. So when will you solve it? You will get 10 kilogram is your answer. So both can be given in the paper, that you have to use your mind what is given and how you have to put the values. Again I am reminding, because whenever it is written in the question weights, student just think weight is given directly, but you have to see if with the quantity kilogram is written, so mass of the body is given, or when Newton is written, then weight or force of the body is given. That very carefully you have to keep in your mind. Thank you and have a nice day.